Do I have enough employees? The majority of us would say we don't have enough because we believe, just to be clear, that it's easier to delegate individual tasks to individual people, which would cause you to have more and more employees. Now, today we are in a recession. A recession is typically when people contract, but most businesses today aren't doing that. And the reason they're not doing that right now is because they haven't seen the economic impact to their business today. So here's the question. Do you have too many employees? The answer is probably yes. So many people today are overemploying because they expect to see an increase in sales, let's say in the fall, maybe for the holidays. And because they see these trends that every year they go up like this, they're expecting the same outcome. Now, here's what I would tell you is that many businesses today won't see the growth that they've seen over the last 2 years because a lot of that was an economy on some steroids. Let's just be blunt, right? They gave it some steroids, they injected it, and they were like, go, baby, go. And they all grew big muscles. And so employers like myself and you, what happens is we hired all these people, and all of these people are great people, but the problem is we have an overemployment problem. There are many people in our companies today who are just filling a seat, that are holding on and doing just enough to not get fired and to stay off your radar. I want to make sure that you and I are protected when the tough times come. So what do? We should be assessing our current employees in our team. We should be looking at each team member and determining, is this person a must-have or a nice-to-have? And last but not least, what you need to be doing is having the difficult conversations with you. The difficult conversations are, everyone, we're not hitting our sales goals. I want you guys to know that I'm gonna be the first one to take responsibility for us not hitting our sales goals. I wanna be the first one to tell you guys that this is not something that I'm proud of, that maybe along the way, I've let you down. I haven't had maybe the right marketing, or maybe I haven't pushed hard enough. Maybe I haven't done something that has caused us to lack in sales right now. And because of that, we are in a situation that I'm not happy with. This is how you grow your business. Stop being overemployed, be right-sized, but make sure that you have the right people on your team rowing in the same direction, pushing in the same direction. And if you like this content, and this is something that you think could benefit you or your business, on the Build Your Own Economy podcast, what I do is I share strategies and business tips just like this. It'll help you grow your business. Let's get you into building your own economy. Keep watching, click the subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.